Thanks for choosing the poweREC digital voice recorder and power bank. Welcome to the tutorial video on how to use the device. Let's start by explaining the unit layout, buttons and functionality. We got the USB out port for charging your mobile device using the power bank, the power button for powering on and off the power bank, followed by the USB in port used for charging your power bank and accessing your recordings. Next is the recorder on-off button to start, stop, and save your recordings, and the mode button for changing your recording modes. We also got the blue lights for the battery level indicator, the microphone and reset hole, and the recording mode indicator. Compatible accessories: USB cable used for accessing, transferring files and charging the poweREC. OTG cable used only for accessing the recordings from a compatible Android phone. USB Type-C adapter used to connect the OTG cable to the phones using that specific connection. Start, stop and save recordings. To start a new recording, slide the recorder on-off button to the on position. If you want to stop and save your recording, slide the recorder on-off button to the off position. Your recording will be saved in MP3 format at a quality of 128 kilobits per second. You can also use the recording function while charging. Voice-activated recording mode. The default factory recording mode is voice-activated, recording only when sounds are detected. This is indicated by the green blinking light that will turn off in 7 seconds after starting a new recording. Continuous recording mode. While the green light is blinking, you can change the recording mode from voice-activated to continuous recording by pressing once on the mode button. If the green light stays lit for 7 seconds without blinking, this indicates that the active recording mode is continuous recording. The light will turn off, but the device will continue to record. Check the active recording mode. If you already started a recording minutes ago and want to see the active recording mode, press on the mode button. Please note that you can change the recording modes only when the green light is on, either blinking or lit. Listen to your recordings using a Windows PC or Mac. To access your files, connect the included USB cable to your computer. Connect the same cable to the device USB in port. Also, please make sure to have the recording button set to off, otherwise you won't be able to access your recordings. If everything is done properly, a new partition named poweREC will appear on your computer. Double-click on it, and after that open the record folder in the voice subfolder. Your recordings are here and can be played with any player you might have on your computer, either Windows PC or Mac. To protect your recorder memory, always safely remove your device. Set date and time. You will also want to set the correct date and time for your recordings. For doing this, you will need to open the time text file found in the record folder. If for any reason there is no such file, you will need to create a new text file and name it time. Open it and write your current date and time using the following input with a 24H format. So we got 2018 for the year, 08 for the month, 09 for the day, 19 for the hours, 55 for the minutes, and then the seconds. Save the file and close it. Listen to your recordings using an Android phone. Depending on your phone model, use a compatible OTG cable and connect it to your phone. Connect the USB cable with the OTG cable and to the poweREC using the USB in port. If you made the connections with a compatible phone, you should be able to see on the screen the next steps to take in order to access your files. Never connect the OTG cable to the poweREC. The OTG cable can only be plugged in your compatible phone. If your phone has an USB Type-C connection, you should use an adapter. Note that the iPhone is not compatible with the listening function, but you can still charge your iPhone using the power bank feature of the poweREC. Charging the poweREC. Each time you have the device connected to your computer, the battery will charge. Each blue light represents 25% of the battery, and when fully charged, all the lights will stay lit. If the battery level indicator has only one blue light and it's blinking, you will need to charge the poweREC using your computer, an USB wall socket, or a phone charger. Depending on the amps of your charger, it can take from 3 hours to 6 hours to get the poweREC 100% charged when fully drained. You can see the battery level at each given time by pressing the power button. If no action is taken, the power bank will turn off in 40 seconds. Or you can turn it off manually by double pressing on the power button. Using the poweREC as a power bank. To charge your mobile device using the poweREC, connect your specific cable to the USB out port. Troubleshooting. If the battery level indicator has only one blue light and it's blinking, you need to charge the poweREC using your computer or a phone charger. If the green light blinks very fast for 10 seconds and turns off, it means that the built-in memory is full and you should connect to your computer to free up some space. Don't forget to turn the recorder button to off before connecting the poweREC to your computer. If your device does not seem to work, you can reset it by inserting a pin in the reset hole. Keep it pressed for a few seconds, the device should recover shortly. If you have any questions on how to use the device, please send an email to the customer support address